jumped off the bridge, it just ended. Now my family trying to show me love, but when everybody thought I was a thug, slanging drugs, close to bloods, popping guns, who knows what? They ain't show me no attention until they seen that my mind was past mention. Now everybody wanna kiss and hug, but still ain't nobody trying to help the thug. I'm knee deep in shit, ain't got no power to get out. Niggas trying to feed me shit through the ass and mouth. I'm stuck, asinine. I used to have my family to lean on asinine, but now it's only me, myself, and I. I'm dead like soul, and then them niggas can't tell me why. I'm blazing steadily, constantly, just to get my nerve, so my hands don't move. When I need a drink, I'm alcoholic. I go around, get the wall and ballin'. Niggas be saying they life be real, but I ain't never seen nobody that be told that still knowing the deal, ready to cop and blow their own out. I know niggas that was ready to blow their zones out. Niggas lost their shit, niggas got it back. But who the fuck wanted to jump off and leave it black? Ain't nobody trying to end their life with me, so it got to be something seriously wrong with me. I'm split P, yes, I deep in this concrete for next year. I can't stop this shit here. The walls be bleeding, son. I can't stop this here. I can't stop the walls from bleeding in my own mind. They be seeing what I go through all the time. I'm stuck, dude. I got myself set up in a rock in a hard place. What to do? Should I grab the gun and blow straight through? Or should I get on my knees and pray the Lord do? Help me out, what's I supposed to do? I scream and shout every day, but don't nothing move. I try to see the same thing over and over. They say I'm crazy because I'm going round in a circle, but I'm stuck here. Niggas hands up like Urkel. Walking into this bitch, trying to get a job they ditch. Look at me, they smile and twitch. I call you back, don't even call me you bitch. That's what they trying to say behind a little twinkle and smile. Why I wanna grab my gun and put it dead in his mouth. But I need this shit, because I got a family, bitch. And if they ain't eating, then I'm busting a clip. And I don't give a fuck, nigga, you wanna talk that lip. Anybody wanna see this, turn to this shit. And this is real when the walls bleed. In my mind, son, the walls bleed. That's why I grab the gun. In my mind, son, the walls bleed good. I got to grab the gun and blow it straight from the hood. In my mind, son, watch these walls bleed. I'm stuck, nigga, call me Urkel Steve. I pull my pants up and put the white man on. Every day, put my goddamn Uncle Tom.